this is Vasil from Computer Science and Engineering Department. So in this video we are going to discuss about what is cloud computing. So in this previous video we are discussed about what is the basic or fundamentals of cloud computing. So which means what kind of services and what kind of processes are done through cloud computing. So here we have to concentrate on very major topic is cloud virtualization. Cloud virtualization. So this is nothing but virtualization is nothing but let us take as one example. One big house is there. So within that house only one person is there. So which means the remaining rooms are in free manner. So which means what is the final outcome means they are using only one room but the entire house is empty. So here the resource is wasted. So to avoiding this problem, that person is providing the rooms in rental way. So which means they can earn some money and also the houses and rooms are effectively used. So which means the resource is perfectly used in the economical manner. So the same thing is applied here. The cloud virtualization is nothing but one real system is there. So this is called as a real system or real machine. So here virtualization is nothing but it contains the huge amount of data storage. So here I need to store very few data, means the resources are purely wasted, which means the memories are purely wasted. So to avoiding this problem I need to use the resource in very effective manner. So that's why I am splitting the spaces into very small pieces, the piece of units. So which means the each and every unit will be rented or issued by some other customer. That person, based on the necessity, they can use the each and every unit of storage. So this split up is called as a virtualization. So which means virtualization is nothing but one real computer, and also it offers a number of spaces for sharing and storing the information. So this process is actually done with the help of hypervisor. So this is nothing but it is the thin line command or set of programs, so which is used for splitting the resources in real system into this virtualization storage. So this is we cannot done in manual, so that's why we are using one set of software coding. So that coding is called as a technically hypervisor. So this is the very thin line software codings. So in this hypervisor it is classified into two types. So one is hypervisor 1 and another one is hypervisor 2. So this hypervisor 1 is also called as an bare metal hypervisor. So here what is the hypervisor 1 method means? So here we need not to worry about the operating system. So it can directly control this entire space split up. Entire control will be monitored by hypervisor 1. So which means there is no any operating system involvement. This is the boss. It can control and process in the entire spaces. So the second hypervisor 2 is nothing but it is purely depends on operating system. So here if they want to allocate any space for any customer means it is need to ask and clarify and get permission from the operating system. So then only they can allocate the space for each and every customer. So which means it's purely depends on or working on employee stage. So here hypervisor 1 is also called as a bare metal hypervisor. So here there is no involvement of operating system. It can directly processing the entire information, so without any operating system control. Then second one is the vice versa. It is not depend on operating system. It is depends on operating system. It employed with the operating system. So this is the very basic concept of cloud virtualization. So here more number of virtualization types are there. So one type is hardware based virtualization, and second one is software based virtualization, and third one is operating system based virtualization. So this hardware based virtualization, so this is purely focusing on how to improve the performance and accuracy level. So for example, if you are taking as an Intel processor, So this is the best example for hardware virtualization, and software virtualization is purely working on the software pattern. So here hypervisor involvement is there. Then last one is the operating system. It's purely working on application relevant. For example, Kubernetes and Docker. Thank you.